Hello and welcome back to the Urban Cook. Today I'm going to be doing it's called a Stromboli, and there's loads, when you look on the internet there's loads of different versions of it. So I'm just going to roll with this one. So we've got some pizza dough, so we're going to get this out and roll this out a bit flatter. Sprinkle a bit of flour on this side. Flour on the surface. Doesn't need a lot. So we have some Passata. Some baby spinach. And mozzarella slices. So here we have some salami. Chorizo, more mozzarella. There's no particular order, so we're just going to go for it. What we're going to do is going to pick this up and roll it in. These couple of bits up, stragglers. Fold all this in. A little bit of olive oil on the bottom, on the tray. Couple of slices on the top. Beaten egg over the top of this. Bit of black pepper. And we'll put that in the oven, around about 180, keep an eye on it till this is all nice and golden. So, see you back soon. Okay, so with that Stromboli, I'm doing some garlic bread again. This is olive ciabatta. These are so good. So I've got some melted butter, got the garlic in the oven, so there's the garlic. Sounds like we've got visitors. Be back in a minute. that's the stromboli. It's all done. It's all lovely, all golden brown. So we'll bring you back in a minute when we come back and we do the garlic bread. And we'll see you soon.